Fere bafethu ithi ngitshela isitori senhliziyo yami yakhula kanjani bese kuna 3 years naleyo beat ishela ukuthi ngikhiyile ngithola ubaqondana abathile ngelinye ilanga ngebirthday yakhe ngithi ngimshayela isurprise ngamthola ebedini out then she said I do not know where to start. Yeah, wallah, shame, I'm surprised. Surely you can't believe your eyes. Unfortunately, not seeing is right. Truth is, I love this guy. I'm so by telling no lies. And you don't accept my time. It's just that I love boys with cars. Yeah, I love you, but not that much. If it can, this would be us. Barry solo, it's not us. Anyway, thanks for the surprise. Please close the door, your way out. While I continue with my birthday parts. Why you still staring at us? Move on, epic, over. Ngiyamthanda wena bengithanda mara boys uyindaba zakudala this country different now way ukuspoila njengempili ngiyamthanda wena bengithanda this guy uyesu ngishada wobule bali bonkampani futhi siphila kudofu now yazi lafe coffee majokali utinkolke I've chosen it at the end Kubura full of my boys I swear can't you see this was my plan to let you find out fair and square then ukuza ngabodaba bakujela bengekubacall ngoboss fell I need it hours weakness do you still think I am to see test buhle kahle then do the cheapest no call like shame lie to yourself people right here ya kill so girls you are dating shame my class but I mean I'm not talking about the text big off now please my I need to have sex uyenza kanjani teraji mara baby after everything I've done for you is this the fucking text I get man so go yonke le 3 years is my bad ukufekela sonke lesikhathi
akufekeli just ukuthi time
fuck agree now shit ukuthi baby sleep sonke lesikhathi sengizinikele kanaka ku
basikrile wena libe luyakhala la ngathi amzwanga she said
ngiyamthanda wena bengithanda mara boys uyindaba zakudala this country different now way ukuspoila njengempili ngiyamthanda wena bengithanda this guy uyesu ngishada wobule bali bonkampani futhi siphila kudofu ngiyamthanda wena bengithanda mara boys uyindaba zakudala this country different now way ukuspoila njengempili ngiyamthanda wena bengithanda this guy uyesu ngishada wobule bali bonkampani futhi siphila kudofu shuthi inhliziyo yami icile iphula kanjalo fethu naso sitshela ukuthi ukhiyile kula umnyango umushakala khona inhliziyo yami iphukile iphule kabuhlungu cannot siphuke njengeklasi because a class can be repaired eyami is forever